How to do text blur to focused effect. To begin, I added a video and a text to my timeline, and I want to create a blur to focus effect for the text. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls panel and move the playhead at the start, and set opacity of the text to 0, and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead a little forward and set opacity to 100 to create the second keyframe. Now go to Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop Gaussian blur effect into your text. Now in Effect Controls, use this triangle button to go to the first keyframe and set blurriness under Gaussian blur to 100. And click on stopwatch next to it to create a keyframe. Then go under Text and click on the other triangle to go to the next keyframe. Go up under Gaussian blur and set blurriness back to 0. Now we have this nice text blur to focus transition effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.